Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Cheetah Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face on the watch. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zepp application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Actually, let me reopen it. So I'm gonna close it and open it. And once you open the app, you probably will see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon, and here you should see a list of my devices, and on it you should see AMAZFIT Cheetah Pro. Now tap on it, and here select the watch faces option, and this should bring you to the watch face store, I would call it, and we can scroll through the different categories of watch faces, and we want to find the watch face called or rather category called customized background, this one. And once you find this category, tap on more to open the whole category, and here we have different styles basically for the customized background. We have time left, time right, time bottom, time center, and time top. And all of them are free, as you can see. Some of them are paid for, but these ones are a bit more customizable, basically. The free ones are just basically you can select where the time is and the color of the clock and the picture behind it. That's about it. But we want to select one of those. For example, I want the time to be at the bottom, so I'm going to select the time bottom. And here, once you select it, you'll be able to change the style. So basically you'll be able to select where the time is gonna be. Then you can add the background, so you can tap on plus, and we have take photo and photos. Take photo opens the camera application. You can use it to take a picture and then use that picture as a watch face. And photos allows you to open the file manager or gallery on your phone and basically select the picture from the phone. I'm gonna use the photos option, but you can use the take a photo if you like to. And as you can see here, we have the gallery or the file manager. I'm gonna select the downloads album, and here I'm gonna select a picture. And now we can crop the image. Basically, because the whole picture won't fit on the watch face, we need to select the part of it. And we can zoom in and zoom out, and we can move left and right. So select the part of the picture you want as a watch face, and then tap on select. And you should see the picture on the preview already. And once you select the background picture, you will be able also to select the color of the clock. And after that, once you're done customizing your custom watch face, tap on sync. And after it's done uploading, it will be applied on your watch. And that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.